Mahomet, Tragedie by Voltaire. Act 4, Scene 1. Mahomet and Omar. Omar said, "My lord, our secret is discovered. Side has told Heraclitus we are on the verge of ruin, yet I know he will obey." Mahomet replied, "Revealed it, sayest thou?" Omar said, "Yes, Heraclitus loves him with tenderness." Mahomet said, "Indeed, what said he to it?" Omar said, "He stood aghast and seemed to pity Zoper." Mahomet replied, "He's weak, and therefore not to be entrusted. Fools ever will be traitors, but no matter. Let him take heed, a method may be found to rid us of such dangerous witnesses." Say, Omar, have my orders been obeyed? Omar said, "They have, my lord." Mahomet said, "'Tis well. Remember, Omar, in one important hour, our Mahomet, our Zoper is no more. If Zoper dies, the credulous people will adore that God, who thus declared for me and saved his prophet. Be this our first great object, that once done, take care of Side. Art thou sure the poison will do its office?" Omar said, "Fear it not, my lord." Mahomet said, "We must work in secret. The dark shades of death must hide our purpose, while we shed old Zoper's blood. Be sure you keep Palmyra in deepest ignorance. She must not know the secret of her birth, her bliss, and mine. Depend upon it. Well thou knowest, my triumphs from error's fruitful source, incessant flow, the ties of blood, and all their boasted power, are mere delusions. What are nature's bonds? Nothing but habit, the mere force of custom. Palmyra knows no duty but obedience. To me, I am her lord, her king, her father. Perhaps may add the name of husband to them. Her little heart will beat with proud ambition to captivate her master. But the hour approaches that must rid me of my foe. The hated Zoper, Side is prepared, and see he comes. Let us retire." Omar said, "Observe. His wild demeanor, rage, and fierce resentment possess his soul." And let us remember that this is a play. It's not presented as fact. And you can tell from some of the names and some other stuff that no source would have claimed, some of this stuff. But it does seem that Zoper is on the side of blood and soil, and the other side is the side of principle.